By the end of this video, you'll be able to create beautiful looking NPCs just like the ones behind me with the plugin ZNPCS. Alright, so the first and main command is ZNPCS. So this will do a list of all the available commands. So what we're going to do first is /ZNPCS create, and we'll see the ID. So I'm just going to set this as 70, and the type. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to do a player because that's least complicated. But you can do pretty much any mob in the game that you want. So I'll just do player, and then name. This doesn't really matter much, so I'll just set it to this, I guess. Alright, so we don't really like this skin, so I'm actually going to change it by doing /NPCs skin, and then the ID, so that is 70 for me. And I'll do my skin, so YT, and you'll see now it is changed and it's looking beautiful. Are you looking for cheap and reliable hosting for your server? Gravelhost is a great option. They have 8 locations worldwide, 90 cents per gigabyte of RAM, a beautiful web panel, built-in web FTP, and great customer support. They also do other games as well, so go check them out using my link in the description and the code sniffer to get 35% off your first month. Now get back to the video. Alright, so the next command that we're going to add is what will make it have those little line effects. So what we're going to do is /NPCs lines, and then your ID, so 70, and then set. And so basically, here's how it's going to work. Every time you want to add a space, you use a dash, and every time you want a new line, you add a space. So I'll demonstrate that. So we want this to be a prison server, and I'm going to use some Minecraft color codes that I know. So N6 and L, so that makes it look gold and bold. And so by default, it'll be gray. So instead, we want it to be white. At least that's my personal choice. So I'm going to do and F. So that'll make it white. And I want to say mine and collect. And then I want to make this text, let's say blue. So the color code for that is N9. And I'm just going to say resources. And then I want to add a new line because this is a lot on a singular line. So it'll look kind of weird. But I'm going to add a new line. So I'll say trade with players, making sure to add dashes. And also you can change it to anything you want, that space symbol in the config. Alright, so I finished my command. So now I'm going to press enter. And you'll see, wow, it just changed everything and it looks so nice. So if we want to have a blank line like this does, so we're just going to get the command back with this. So we just need to type in any color code. So I'm just going to do and9 because I feel like it. And make sure we have that new line, the space. So I'll just say and L click NPC. Make sure I add the dash. And I'm also going to make this orange, and a tip with color codes. The color needs to come before the formatting. So and6 and L. Not and L and N6, otherwise it just won't work. So now we have this new line and it's looking great. But say we want it to have an action like send a message in the chat or teleport us somewhere. We're going to do that right now. So I'm going to do /GNPCs action 70 add. And so there's basically 3 different things we can do. We can do message, which I'll start off with. And I'm going to make it say you joined the prison server. And you don't need to have any dashes. It'll just recognize these as spaces, not new lines. Alright, so now whenever we interact with this NPC, it'll say you joined the prison server. But now we need to make it join the prison server. So there's basically 2 different things we can do. I like to do /cmd. So console will basically run it from your server's perspective. So like it'll run in the console, and you don't need to worry about like permissions or anything. But if you're typing in like a player name, you do have to worry about that. I'm gonna do this command, and there's no need to type /TP080, and that's probably not my spawn, but we'll see. Alright, so now when we click on this NPC, it should teleport us. Yep, and it teleported us. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed, because that'll tell me you like this content and I'll make more of it. So, without further ado, I will see you in the next one.